Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. AVG Antivirus Tutorial. Well, today's video is going to be a quick tutorial about the AVG Antivirus. As you can see right now, here is a passive mode is turned on. So here is what the first thing you will see when you've downloaded the AVG. So here, as you can see now, basic protection. As you can see, stop traps in all real time. You see right there. There you go. When we open this one, example right here, this feature is unavailable in passive mode. Your AVG is in passive mode because we found another antivirus on this device. All protection features are currently disabled. To use them, you should uninstall the other antivirus. However, you can still run manually at any time. So right here, this is not working because as you can see right here on my left side corner, you will see AVAS free antivirus. So there you go, guys. But now it's on passive mode, but you can also run smart scan while using it on passive mode, as you see right there. There you go. Now it's scanning. There you go. There, virus, another. As you can see, it is looking good, looking good, looking good. There, advanced issue scanning. There you go. As you can see, it found 7 advanced issues found. Your browser, personal info, PC, webcam, vulnerable, 155 sensitive documents, and you have only a basic firewall, as you see right there. You can click resolve, but some of these have payments, so I don't know which one of them, but let's try resolve. Oh, there you go. As you can see, you have to pay. If we're going to choose 1 year, we have to pay $65.83 per month in pesos, but in USD, I think it's about $1 and a few cents. There you go, guys. So we can also have a free trial, as you see. As at any time before 19th June 2025. We're just gonna exit that. If you want to go premium, just click on the go premium on the top left corner. And here at the menu, here is your sign in. You can sign in your account. We have the enter activation code if you have, but if you don't, it's okay. Here's the settings. The settings here, we have the user interface. You can change your language. We have the updates for changing update notification. If you want to change your notification settings, here is the place you go. Exceptions here, exceptions file. For example, you don't want the file to be blocked or not to be scanned. Just put it in the exception file. Block and allowed apps. All the blocked and allowed apps will be added here. Block devices. If you have any passwords, if you want to create a password for your AVG antivirus, but this is only useful when you have the premium account. But for those who are free version, don't do this. Personal privacy. If you want share suspicion, if you want to change any of this. Troubleshooting. If ever there's a troubleshooting in your PC. As you can see, basic protection shield. We have detections. We have file shield. We have behavior shield, web shield, email shield, smart scan, and ransom protection, network inspector, and enhanced firewall. And the tools we have is we have a do not disturb mode. We have a quarantine, data shredder. So here are tools, as you can see there. Do not disturb if you want, and we have the quarantine and data shredder if you need to shred some files. So yeah, there you go, guys. Notifications can be found on the top right corner, as you can see. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's settings for you. Subscription. If you have a subscription, you can just go here and cancel it. There you go, or subscribe to it. And browser extension. If you want to change something in browser, or if you want your browser to be safe, just click on that. And my statistics, to see your statistics in your AVG antivirus. What do you call this? Like runtime or time that it has been protecting you, or the like your background in using AVG. Like for example, right here, updates to your antivirus or maybe threats in your quarantine to see how many. For example, if you have a file that you've downloaded and it sees a threat, you will see here, like if you download two of them, you'll see two quarantine there, and you can delete them when you open your quarantine, of course. And then here we have protect my phone. If you have downloaded AVG on your phone, you can check using this AVG on your PC. We have the support here. If there's a technical issue or a problem with your payment or your AVG, just click on here, help and about, and we have the tools here, like I've said. And here's the only thing that is changed from in the settings. We have a rescue disk. You see right here. Rescue disk, create a rescue disk to run AVG from Windows isn't running. This helps you remove deeply embedded threats because you can defend them. Because they can defend themselves, as you see there. So that's what it is. And let's go here, and there you go. As you see right here, this is only the free versions that we have downloaded. I think this versions is we need to pay for this, like tune up, secure VPN, driver updater, anti-track, and breach guard. We have to pay for those. So yeah, there you go, guys. Just a quick tour for you guys, and a quick tip for you guys. If you want to choose like a specific antivirus AVG program, just click on here on the shop. Click on the shop, and here you will see, like here, right there you go. You see a secure VPN only. So this only does the VPN, anti-tracking, and tune up. Internet security, this only does the internet security. So yeah, there you go, guys. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer them. But for now, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.